everybody, it's me Nancy.
And me Regina, two crazy friends of cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how Nancy and I make our Strawberry Delight Truffle for Valentine's Day. It's going to be good.
Oh yes.
Okay, first thing you got to do is wash those hands.
Exactly.
Before you ever start cooking, you got to wash those hands.
Exactly. And we're some hand washing women, ain't we?
Oh yes we are.
Hey everybody, it's me Nancy.
And me Regina, two crazy friends of cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how Nancy and I make our Strawberry Delight Truffle for Valentine's Day. It's going to be good.
Oh yes.
Okay, let me show you what I've done here. I've got about 2 pounds of strawberries that I've cut up and just sprinkled sugar over it. Not much, but just sugar over it, and stirred it up real good. And then I put it in the refrigerator and let it sit for a little bit. About 15-20 minutes is fine. You can even leave it in there longer if you want. It doesn't matter.
Yes.
Then we got our truffle bowl right here, what we're going to make it up in. And then you can use any kind of pudding. What we like to use, we got cheesecake. We get 2 packs of the cheesecake jello pudding. And we're going to mix that up in a bowl. And that's all some people like to do. It just depends on whatever flavor you want in it. Nancy and I like 2 of your regular packs of cheesecake jello pudding. Then we're going to put a big pack of your vanilla jello pudding.
Yes.
And we're going to mix all ours together in one bowl. You could just make it with the vanilla, or you can make it just with the cheesecake, but we like to mix both of them together because the flavor is good.
Yes, it is.
All right, for this one, we're just going to dump everything in the bowl.
Yes.
Now, if you're using the big pack of pudding, it's going to take you 3 cups of milk. So we're just going to put it all in here.
Mix all ours together.
Yeah, we mix all ours together at one time because it is so good if you mix flavors. All right, then we mix the 2 small packs of the cheesecake.
Yes. That's going to be good.
I can taste it already.
Me too.
All right.
I can't wait to get some of it.
You can make this with chocolate pudding, any kind of pudding you want. We've just found that it's really good if you mix the vanilla with the cheesecake.
Right.
Okay. Then what I've already went and done, I've put, for the large pack of pudding, it called for 3 cups of milk, and for the 2 smaller ones, it's 2 each. So we have 7 cups of milk in here. I'm going to add to all of our pudding.
Yes. Just mixing it all together.
This is going to be good.
Yes.
All right. Then you're going to get your whisk, and you're just going to whisk away.
Yes.
For about 2-3 minutes, you'll be able to tell when it's the consistency that you need.
And after that, Regina, is that when you add your Cool Whip? You just fold it in that?
In here,
Yeah.
what we're going to do, we're going to put it on the truffle over here. We're going to add layers, and we're
Yeah.
going to show you how we're going to do it.
Okay.
That's smelling good.
Can you feel it getting a little thicker?
Oh yeah, you will. The more you do it, the more you'll
Know when it gets the right consistency?
yes.
I smell them puddings. I'm going to sneak me a strawberry.
You better quit eating all my strawberries.
You ate all this stuff when I was making banana pudding.
Well, you ain't supposed to tell on me. Friends don't do friends like that.
Them strawberries are so good. They're delicious.
Oh, this smells so good.
It does.
And both of them together, that's just what makes it. You wouldn't think of mixing the vanilla into cheesecake. Most people just use one flavor when they're making one of these.
Yeah.
But, oh, if you mix the cheesecake and the vanilla together, you would not believe how good this is.
Mm-hmm. It's getting thicker, ain't it?
Yep. See?
Yeah.
See how much thicker it's getting? Oh, gosh, it smells good.
Sure does. I love it.
Okay, once you've done this, I'm going to show you what we do next.
Yeah.
We're just going to set this to the side.
Yes.
Let it be setting up. Then I'm going to get what I've got in this bowl. We've got 2 small pound cakes, and we've just crumbled them up. Now, it depends on whether you want to make a lot or you want to make, you could just use 1 pound cake. It doesn't matter. It just all depends on you. But in this bowl, we have 2 small pound cakes just crumbled up.
Yes.
And what we're going to do, we're just going to start making our layers.
Yes. Ooh,
And I'm making a mess.
No, you ain't.
You want to make a good layer down in the bottom of this pound cake. Okay?
Do you kind of mash it down a little bit?
Yeah, it helps if you mash it down. You just take the back side and mash it really good, because we're going to pack all this good stuff in here.
Oh, that looks good.
And once you get it really good and thick, we're going to go ahead and put our strawberries on it. Okay?
Yes.
And you're just going to do you a layer of those strawberries that's mixed with a little bit of sugar in there.
Ooh.
It depends on how sweet you want them, on how much sugar you put in them.
Yeah.
You're going to do you a real good, oh, they smell so good.
Don't they?
I could eat this whole bowl of strawberries by myself.
Some for the other.
All right, now that's what we're going to do here.
Yes.
Make a good layer there.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm. Then, see how thick our pudding's got now?
You have to work with it fast, don't you?
Real fast, because if you don't, it's going to thicken up too fast. All right? So now, we're going to go in here and we're going to start pouring just all this pudding. Make us a good old layer of pudding.
Yes.
Cover all those strawberries. There we go.
Yes.
All right, and then we're going to add some Cool Whip
Oh, yes.
on top of that.
Mm-hmm. See how pretty that's looking?
Mm.
Ooh, that's looking pretty.
And you can't mess it up.
No, and you can make a truffle any way you want to make it, too, can't you?
Mm-hmm. Yes, with different kinds of pudding. Then we're going to go in here and just start dumping your Cool Whip.
Yes.
This is so easy to make.
Oh, it looks so good.
You just start, but you got to try to work fast because that pudding will start setting up.
Yes.
Just dumping all this Cool Whip on here.
That's good.
All right, then after we do that,
Mm-hmm.
all right, then we're going to put more of that pound cake.
Oh, yes.
Just crumble it all in there. Now,
Ooh, that looks good.
you really don't need this much pound cake, but we're planning on making another one. So 1 pound cake would be really good, you know?
You kind of mash it down too,
And you want
don't
to
you?
mash, 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 okay? Then you're going to come in here with some more strawberries.
Yes.
Get those strawberries all on there. Whoop. Missing in action. All right. Then we're going to come in here with some more of our pudding.
Yes. I think we needed a bigger trifle ball, didn't we?
Yes, we did, but you know we're going to make us another one
We're gonna
in
make
a minute and use the rest of that pound cake, but we just wanted to give everybody the idea
Of how to put it together.
how to put it together.
Oh my God, that's so good looking.
You can even use little small bowls and make little individual ones of this if you wanted to. Then we're going to put some whipped cream up on here. Spread it out.
We're gonna put some strawberries on the top too.
Yes.
If we got enough room.
Hey,
You think we're gonna have enough room?
you cannot have too much of this stuff.
Ooh,
It's so good.
looks so good.
Now
Just
what
like
I always do when we have extra is make little individual ones. So then we're going to put our strawberries on it.
Oh gosh. Can y'all see that? How good that's looking? Oh my goodness gracious.
You're just gonna cover the whole top with all these good strawberries.
Oh my goodness, Regina, I can't wait to eat some
And
of
you
that.
see how fast we made this? This is like so, and it'll feed a lot.
That'd be beautiful to take to some dinner or something.
Oh yes.
That you're having, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God.
And you can even make it in like a big punch bowl. I've seen it made in big punch bowls.
I could see. Now let's get a look at that.
Oh. Now what you want to do, you want to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour. And it'll be so good.
Yes. Let me get a good look at that.
Let's put it on the table so you can get a good picture of it.
Let's let them get a look at that. Oh my God, that looks so good. Look at it, people. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. I can't wait to get into that. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the refrigerator, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm. We're going to set it right here.
Oh,
And
yeah.
let it cool for about an hour.
Mm-hmm. Then we're going to get to eat it.
Yes, and that is our Strawberry Delight Truffle for Valentine's Day.
Yes, I can't wait to get it. Oh, Regina, this is so beautiful and elegant.
It's so pretty.
Isn't it?
Yes.
We are two lucky people. Two Friends Cooking's got it on tonight.
Yes,
babies.
we do. Want to tell them what we got?
Yes, go ahead, tell them.
We got pork chops. We got broccoli. And we got carrots.
And potato casserole.
And potato casserole.
And we can't wait to get in it. In future videos, we're going to show y'all how to make this potato casserole and these pork chops.
Is it good?
It is delicious. Is that not delicious?
That is so good.
Oh my goodness.
Don't know what you're missing.
That is delicious.
Oh, that pork chop's so tender.
Isn't it?
And
And the carrots and the broccoli, everything is so good. I hope everybody out there has a wonderful Valentine's Day. Has a romantic dinner or whatever. Just do it for yourself if you ain't got nobody else. Just make yourself feel good, you know? And just fix up your table and have a good meal. Enjoy it. I can't wait to get into that truffle. That is going to be
that's
delicious.
next.
Oh, I can't wait to get into that. This is so wonderful. I feel like a queen.
Yep, we're going to have to show them how to make all this next time. Look here, look here.
Oh my goodness.
Look here, look here.
Oh, that is so beautiful.
That looks good.
What you gonna get it out there with?
This'll work.
Yes. I want me some of that. How about get me some of that?
Oh my goodness. Oh, we ain't talking about that today.
Gosh, y'all don't know what you're missing.
That looks good.
That's enough.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Well, we can go back for seconds.
Oh my goodness, get you some.
Oh, this looks so good. And you know, you can put this in a bowl like this, or a punch bowl, or anything.
Yes. Any way you want to make it. Oh gosh, them strawberries look so good. You just move away. We got a touch.
Oh, excuse me.
Bon appetit.
Cheers. Oh, that's good.
That was worth it.
Oh, it was so good.
That is delicious. Regina, you outdid yourself on this. Hey everybody, it's me Nancy.
And me Regina, two crazy friends of cooking.
It's Valentine's Day today and we are all excited.
We ready to have a ball.
I can't wait to see what gifts I get. What about you?
Me too.
I hope I get a free vacation somewhere.
You dreaming. You're dreaming.
Wouldn't that be wonderful to get a free vacation? Have rose petals all over there, everything.
Yes, you're dreaming.
No, I ain't dreaming.
Yes, you are.
No, I tell y'all what's the truth. I hope y'all have as much fun as we do. It's been a blast doing this Valentine's Day video, and I just want y'all to enjoy it. Tell us what you think. That's what we want to know. We want to hear about what you think.
What you want to see, what you want us cooking.
Yeah, what you want us cooking. And we won't tell nobody if you don't want us to. Will we?
I won't.
I can keep a secret, can you?
Sure I can.
All you got to do is tell me not to tell nobody.
I like our headbands. What you think?
I love them.
I do too. Hey, Nancy, guess what?
What?
I got something to say.
Okay.
How can you tell when a squirrel's in love?
How?
It goes nuts.
Oh, my.
You got me. That's cute,
You
y'all.
are nuts,
That's
Regina.
cute.
Hey, everybody. From our hearts
To yours.
have a happy
Happy
Valentine's
Valentine's
Day.
Day.
Bye.
Bye.